Imagine a classroom where science doesn't stay on the page, it comes alive. That's NuiBot. With an expressive digital face that reacts and responds, and an arm that presses, lifts, and adjusts, NuiBot is more than a robot. It's a classroom assistant that helps students run experiments, collect data, and see results in real time. Why explain science in the abstract when students can experience it through their own robot partner? Our vision is bold but simple. Every student deserves science that feels alive. With NuiBot, classrooms become living laboratories where curiosity and technology merge. Its faceplate smiles, signals, and explains. Its arm grips, moves, and acts on instructions. GrowHub captures and shares results instantly. This isn't about adding more gadgets. It's about giving students ownership of discovery, the chance to think, test, and dream like real scientists. Robotics is part of STEM already, but most kits stop at simple coding. Students often ask, why does this matter? NuiBot answers by connecting robotics to real science. Its arm can feed fish, press a pump switch, or turn a light dial. Its sensors measure changes as they happen. Each action has a visible effect. This is robotics with purpose. This is science with meaning. And this is why NuiBot matters. Schools need tools that inspire curiosity, deliver curriculum outcomes, and prepare learners for a world shaped by AI and sustainability. Families want children ready with real-world skills. Researchers need consistent, reliable data. NuiBot sits at this exact intersection. It collects, measures, adjusts, and explains, while linking every action to GrowHub dashboards. The opportunity is clear: one platform that makes robotics, AI, and science accessible, engaging, and transformative. NuiBot's power is in what it can do. It collects live data from modular probes, pH, oxygen, temperature, light, and more. Its robotic arm grips valves, presses buttons, turns dials, lifts covers, and can even deliver pellets to fish tanks. It supports comparative experiments, reduces human error, and increases replicability. GrowHub turns those readings into visuals and insights, allowing students to share and reflect. Reliable, adaptable, and interactive, NuiBot is a genuine science assistant. NuiBot is compact, modular, and classroom safe. It rolls smoothly on Omni wheels, its arm is lightweight but precise, and its digital faceplate gives cues, expressions, and feedback that students can program themselves. External probes connect in seconds, while GrowHub links data to online dashboards. The design is approachable for beginners, yet open enough for advanced learners to extend, customize, and innovate. NuiBot grows alongside the learner, both in capability and creativity. The real magic lies in the connection between data and intelligence. Sensors detect conditions, AI interprets them. If oxygen levels drop, NuiBot doesn't just report it. Its faceplate frowns and its arm signals action. If results improve, it celebrates with a smile. GrowHub turns these readings into charts, insights, and stories students can trust. With NuiBot, learners don't just record numbers. They see, hear, and feel the science as it unfolds. NuiBot supports learners at every stage. Beginners program simple movements, the arm pressing a switch, the face smiling in response. Intermediate students design experiments comparing light or feeding regimes, while NuiBot adjusts and records results. Advanced learners extend its functions with new sensors or custom arm attachments. GrowHub logs every step, creating a portfolio of authentic inquiry. This is science learning that is scaffolded, visible, and aligned with the New Zealand curriculum. For teachers, NuiBot is a resource that saves time and builds confidence. It comes with preset routines, lesson templates, and class dashboards. The robotic arm takes over repetitive tasks and experiments, while the digital face provides engaging cues that keep students focused. It supports NZQA micro-credentials and adapts to all ability levels. Teachers no longer need to juggle multiple tools. NuiBot brings robotics, coding, and inquiry into one seamless platform. NuiBot's impact reaches beyond the classroom. Communities see technology applied to sustainability. Families watch students use a robot to test water, feed systems, and monitor ecosystems. Researchers benefit from standardized data collected across multiple schools. Schools that adopt NuiBot become visible leaders in innovation. At the national level, NuiBot strengthens ecological literacy, digital confidence, and workforce readiness, positioning Aotearoa as a pioneer in future-focused education and sustainability. The demand for robotics that connects AI with science learning is global. NuiBot is a world first, a science assistant robot that combines robotics, AI, and inquiry in one. Its digital face makes interaction human and engaging. Its robotic arm turns learning into action. Through GrowHub, classrooms connect internationally to share experiments and insights. NuiBot is more than a local innovation. It is New Zealand's chance to lead the world in educational technology. The pathway is clear. First, prototypes tested in classrooms. Next, regional rollouts with teacher training. Then, national scaling through GrowHub. Finally, global expansion. To complete this journey, we are seeking investment and partnership. By supporting NuiBot, you back a platform that turns every classroom into a lab of the future, inspiring students, empowering teachers, connecting communities, and showing the world that New Zealand leads where education and innovation meet.